Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the vBNC BNC farming on Bifrost. If you are new to my channel, this is a channel to share my personal experience. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss future videos. So the vBNC BNC LP liquidity pool launched today on Bifrost. For those of you, if you already have the BNC token, don't miss this opportunity because the APY is quite good. You can provide the vBNC and BNC liquidity. The vBNC is the V token of the BNC. When you stake the BNC, you are going to get the vBNC token as a liquidity to earn some actual reward. And so today the pool is launched and I'm going to show you how to participate. Alright, so first let's go to the Bifrost. The DEFI staking, you can see the vBNC, the APY is 63%. And I already staked some BNC in my previous video. Now I don't have many BNC in my banners, as you can see it here. But let's first take a look at the farming. So we should first check the vBNC and BNC farming, make sure it's already there. So now let's go to the farm and let's see if we can find it. Alright, it's here, right? The vBNC and BNC, this LP farming. Right now it's showing as 50% around. Of course, like if you do the LP, you will still earn some APY for the vBNC. So that the overall APY would be higher than this one. So let's go to the vBNC, and I don't have many BNC tokens, so I can go to the farm and I will claim some of my my rewards. So I will get some BNC. Just claim them. So you can do the same if you stake your token on the Bifrost. Now I have enough. I will put 50, half of them around to mint the vBNC. So as you can see it here, 50 BNC will mint less than 50 vBNC. But the ratio will be changed in the future. I will get more. So now I'm going to do the LP. So first I will add the liquidity. So I will just manually put some BNC like 59. I will need to keep some for the fees, and so that's why I put 59. And now I add the LP, and so after a little bit time you should get the LP of the vBNC and BNC. And now you need to go to the farm again and deposit your LP. So this one I need to deposit all of my LP. It will take a little bit time, and then you are going to have your LP on the farming, and you will earn the good APY here. So you can see my staking is showing up here. And so that's all for today's video. Basically just do a demo and show you how to participate the vBNC BNC farming on Bifrost. And so join early to earn the better rewards if you hold the BNC token. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.